We all love to have more and more options in order to make a great decision. When it's a matter of your career choices, you have to think more realistically and smartly. In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 steps how you can make a better career choice. Keep watching. I will advise you to subscribe this channel in case you didn't do earlier. Don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get regular notification of upcoming videos. This video is equally good in case you are having one of these 3 situations. Number 1, if you want to choose a new career. Number 2, if you're already into practical life but now you're thinking a career change or shift. Number 3, if you want to add a new set of qualification in order to build a stronger career. Now let's move to my 6 steps which will help you to choose great career. Number 1, you have to learn about yourself. What are your choices, your likes, your dislikes? What kind of personality do you have? What are the things and situations you value most in your life? You may get a help of a career counselor, or you can use some online available self-assessment tool in order to understand who you are and what could be possible career options for you. This is most important thing. Number 2, you need to make a list of all possible options which may be of your choice. List it down and then try to collect some data related to all those professions or options. Learn about these possible options one by one, evaluate which appeals you most and what you like least. Statistics or data, it will also help you that how is the demand of these professions or these careers in the market. I will say you should narrow down the list in order to reach to the smaller number of options. It will be easy for you to make a decision when you will have lesser number of options. Number 3, once you have made the list of fewer options, try to get additional information by doing some informational interviews. You may speak with the people who are already into that profession, or you can discuss it if you are looking for a new study with those people who already have studied that program. They will help you by making you understand what are the related challenges or hurdle in that profession or that education. You may ask even people who are connected with you in your real life, which we call offline network or online network like on LinkedIn. It's a great opportunity for you because these people already have experienced in their life the practical things, so you do not need to go through that process again in order to do wrong experiments, but these people can give you valuable information which will help you to decide which career option is best for you. Now is the time you need to make a choice. You may pick a course or a profession which you think can bring most satisfaction for you in coming days. Don't worry, if you will make any wrong choice, always you can come back and you can restart the process. A lot of people, very successful, they have tried more than one option or career choices in their life. And this is very much normal. But you should not spend a lot of time just keep on thinking and making yourself confused, but you should make a choice because already you have listed down which is good for you. You've spoken with the people, you have got some practical understanding. Now is the time you should make a choice. Once you have made the choice, then related to that option, you need to set your goals. What are the short-term goals? What are the long-term goals? If it is related to education, what you should study in 6 months, in 1 year, and what are the different modules or parts of that education, and in how long you have to complete it. Possibly in short-term goal could be you have to identify the college, a training center, or a university from which you should get that qualification. And in long term, it should be how you will prepare for the examination, how you will pass the examination. If it is related to your practical career, it could be you need to identify your short-term goals, those organizations where possibly you would love to work, and after that, where do you see yourself after 5 years or 10 years? You might have to collect some additional resources. Possibly you need to get education or training in order to perform best in that profession. So you have to identify what are your goals in order to reach your career. Number 6, which is the last one, do not forget to write down your action plan. A lot of people do this mistake that they collect all the information, they speak with people, they make their mind and choose a career option or a study option, and then they do not do anything other but just to start it. I will recommend you should write it down on a piece of paper, because once you will put together all the career action plans and write it down in the shape of document, that will be a great reminder for you, because you can start to check whatever you have already done and what you have to do. It will also help you to think about the roadmap, about a complete structure, how you can reach from one position to second position, and then from point B to point C and onward. Like a ladder, step by step, which step, when you have to take. Also, you should include the possible challenges, the barrier, the hurdles, which may stop you to achieve your career. Also, you have to define the strategy and possible ways in order to overcome those challenges so that you can successfully reach to your career. These are my suggested 6 steps which will help you to choose and land on a greater career. Good luck. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know if these 6 steps are helpful for you to make a career choice.